Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your account on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, log in to your account, whether it can be from your web browser or simply access your app. Once you have done so, go ahead, tap on your profile, and then you will access this option called account. Go ahead, tap on it, and once you have tapped on it, it will show you all of the information regarding your account, including this account status below, which includes the option of active and deactivate. Simply go ahead, tap on this deactivate option, and then you have to choose a reason why you are leaving. You can go ahead, choose any of the reasons given there in the options. Choose any of that you prefer. Once you have chosen that one, simply tap on this continue option given below, and then it will again give you reconfirmation regarding your account deactivated. And you can simply, if you change your mind in the future, you can go again access Zoosk and simply reactivate your account. So the thing is, basically, if you want to disable, cancel your account, you simply have to deactivate, because there is no direct delete option available. If you simply want to permanently delete your account, you can simply contact the Zoosk support. Once you have tapped on it, you will simply get access to the numbers that you can actually directly call them for the support and ask them to delete your account permanently. So that is the only option given for you guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.